How many times do I gotta say it? Climate change is as real as it gets. Temperatures rising, carbon comprising, nitrogen causing the algae to grow. Science advising, climate revising, Hawaii got mine are lower to show. Atmosphere measurements all but low. Lucky for us, we already know. Natural cycles are just like our vitals, and they're just telling us go with the flow. Zones that are dead, big watersheds, ice core from so long ago. Rings in the trees, I'm living green. I'm feeling like Henry David Thoreau. All of the hurricanes are moving slow. I'll consider climate change as a foe. No time to talk, the earth's on the clock. Just listen to me and go with the flow. Lithification, rock formation, and if you're lucky, crystallization. Buried upon the silt deposit, get sedimentary rot like onyx, then heat it up a million degrees. Give me metamorphic rock if you please. This bar is the trickiest, barely get thick of this, melt it and cool it, and then you get igneous. The rock cycles process all results from plate tectonics. Current convection, circle direction, rocks forming from the pressure that's on it. Divergent, convergent, and transform boundaries. Earthquakes, trenches, and volcanoes form around these. Divergent divides, convergent collides, transform, slide side to side, forms the faults, makes the mountains all the movement deep in the ground. The world is ours to save, reuse. We gotta reuse and stop overuse. No matter your views, there's no excuse. You can't just choose to snooze. Temperatures rising, carbon comprising, nitrogen causing the algae to grow. Science advising, climate revising, Hawaii got mine are lower to show. Atmosphere measurements all but low. Lucky for us, we already know. Natural cycles are just like our vitals, and they're just telling us go with the flow. Zones that are dead, big watersheds, ice core from so long ago. Rings in the trees, I'm living green. I'm feeling like Henry David Thoreau. All of the hurricanes are moving slow. I'll consider climate change as a foe. No time to talk, the earth's on the clock. Just listen to me and go with the flow. You know I had to switch up the beat. Picture this, our planet is sick, no good like the Knicks, because millions of people think climate change is politics. Lunatics, so much evidence pointing to awful trends, and we might not see an end if we don't try to make amends. Listen here, we got major problems in our atmosphere. Carbon levels are severe with emissions year after year. Chlorofluorocarbons making ozone layer holes appear. We diagnose what the problem is, I think it's crystal clear. You say, but wait, carbon levels were 10 times as high in the past. Difference is, now it's changing 70 grand times as fast. Good times have passed, 400 ppm amassed. All the fluctuation messing with your weather forecast. Let's go! Nitrogen and fertilizers only got one place to go. In the Mississippi River to the Gulf of Mexico. Stimulating algae growth, resulting in low DO. Cycle going together like Juliet to Romeo. I know you notice if I forgot about Coriolis, causes the focus of so many topics that they have shown us. Circle rotation of the planet, deflecting wind direction, ocean currents too, but not toilet bowls. You're so mistaken. Donut holes circulating in the deep blue sea. Warm water moving all around like it's a jacuzzi. The surface gyres work in tandem with thermohaline, making the westerlies warm when they reach the queen. Yeah. Hey. Don't get me started with what's going on in Walter Creek. We got impervious cover everywhere, stopping the permeability of the water, which causes pollutants to leak into the streams, making the ecosystem weak. Let's take some measurements, see what we can approximate. Let's start with TDS, then we can measure oxygen. Look at my notes, it seems to check all the boxes, and I think the causes of the pollution are metropolitan. Before I go, let me leave one last message. This is serious, we gotta keep pressing and asking questions. Don't mean to come off as aggressive or sound excessive, but if we don't stop the wreckage, our world will never replenish. I'm out.